cold for an outside playground, so we came to McDonald's to play on the inside playground. Hey, what do you want to do?
Kitty?
What do you want to do?
Toys?
We just got back from McDonald's and she already wants to go play on the playground at the apartment complex.
Toys?
You want to go play on the toys?
Toys?
Okay, Mom will take you. We'll just keep our coats on. My children are obsessed, especially Dallas, who literally the first thing she asked for when she woke up this morning was to come to the playground. So here we are, because it's probably better for them to come play outside than anything else. Ew, honey, that's yucky. Bring it to Mom. And whatever keeps them happy, right? Also, I don't know if I told you guys, but Derek wants me at rehearsals now. And it's just the easiest when the girls nap at rehearsal. Bring that to Mom, please. And so I keep them awake all day until rehearsal so that they'll nap at rehearsal. So it just means I have to find lots of things to do with them to keep them happy and awake. Come back to the playground, weirdo. And why should it not be at the playground? They were ready to leave McDonald's, but I think they like this playground because they usually have it all to themselves. And there were quite a few kids at the McDonald's playground when we left it. Hi!
Hi!
Hi! You're funny, babies.
Hi!
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 Papa!
Hi, babe!
Hi!
Hi!
I'm up on this.
Yeah? Ready? Are you gonna go? Go down the slide! You can do it! I'm Mommy. Hi, baby. Go down the slide. Sister's going down the one over there. Maybe. Why are you guys suddenly afraid of the slides? Wait for us! This is what they want to be doing, so this is what we're doing. Ella! Ella, wait for us! That was so cute, though. Like, 10 points for you.